brotherly friendship, but it has a very old connotation in myths, not only Slavic but Scandinavian myths in the mythology. Because if you kiss, how a typical room in a flat of a typical Polish family looks. For me, it always was a shock when I visited my family here in Poland, because in Nigeria we had a big... it was a very dull life, I must say. Then you have a very good timetable of what happened in Europe at that time. 1961, where I stopped right now, was the very... because when we watch the American movies, the Western, so-called Wild West stories, it is always said that it is immoral to shoot somebody in his back. And if somebody hit someone in the back, he was ostracized. He had a home. And he was a young man who went to school in Polish. And he never returned. He was arrested by the militia, and the police. They were beaten. Very often. Because the police. In Gdansk and in Szczecin, and then went through Poland. Signing the agreements for some time, Poland was like, don't even please. Bulgarian culture, the princess of the glass hill mountain. Because you cannot climb the glass, you always slip down. And that was the reason why they made the stairs, because the unbelievable nature.
Yes, I understand. You cannot walk on the glass, and that's why.
The stairs.
Yeah.
And we also have fine architecture. How it looks in the developed. And when you stand over here and you look down, you have the miniature iron cage, because you have iron sheets of steel. Green area. Yes, because you could go from Czechoslovakia to Bulgaria, former Yugoslavia, for holidays. But you still have to return home to stay in Geneva. When the architects designed this building, it's a good mixture.
így عکسه 29 تا که اونجا هم نمایشگاه داشته.